In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable highlights on your Trello board so your most important cards instantly stand out. Now, there isn't a single button in Trello that says Enable Highlights, but there are powerful built-in features you can use to create strong visual emphasis on any card. Whether you're managing projects, content calendars, client work, or team tasks, highlighting the right cards can dramatically improve clarity and productivity. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. The first and fastest way to highlight cards in Trello is by using labels. This method is perfect for marking high-priority tasks, urgent deadlines, content types, or different workflow stages. Start by opening any card on your board. Once the card opens, look for the Labels option and click on it. Here, you'll see Trello's default color options. You can either select an existing color or create and customize your own. To make a strong highlight, choose a bright color like red, yellow, or purple. After selecting the color, click the Edit icon to rename the label. This is important because clear naming makes your board more organized. For example, you could rename it to High Priority, Urgent, Client Review, or even add an emoji like Fire High Priority to make it stand out even more visually. Once you've named it, apply the label to the card. Now when you go back to your board view, you'll immediately see that card visually highlighted with the colored label. This makes it easy to scan your board and quickly identify what needs attention. If you want to move even faster, there's a shortcut. While hovering over a card, simply press the L key on your keyboard. This instantly opens the label menu so you can apply or remove labels without fully opening the card. This shortcut alone can save you a lot of time when managing large boards. The second and strongest way to highlight a card in Trello is by using card covers. This method creates maximum visual impact and is ideal for big campaigns, product launches, key deadlines, or any task that absolutely cannot be missed. To do this, open the card you want to emphasize, then click on the Cover option inside the card. Here you'll have two main choices. First, you can select a solid cover. Just like labels, choose a bold and attention-grabbing color. This will place a large color block at the top of the card. But if you really want maximum visibility, you should enable the Full Card Cover option. When you select Full Card Cover, the entire card preview on your board becomes that color, making it impossible to overlook. The second option inside covers is using an image. You can upload your own image or choose from Trello's gallery. This works especially well for marketing campaigns, design projects, event planning, or content thumbnails. When you apply an image and enable Full Card Cover, your card becomes visually dominant on the board. It's perfect for drawing immediate attention during team meetings or planning sessions. By combining labels and full card covers, you can create a powerful visual system. For example, use labels for categorizing priority levels and use full card covers only for the most critical items. This layered approach keeps your board clean while still making key tasks stand out. And that's how you enable highlights on your Trello board using built-in features. Quick recap. Use labels for fast and flexible highlighting, and use card covers with full card cover enabled for maximum visual emphasis. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Trello tips and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.